Good evening, friends. Have you ever sat up in bed at dawn, your heart ready but your body hesitating? Maybe your legs feel unsteady, your arms take more effort to lift, or you find yourself shuffling slower than you used to. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's not just getting older. It's your muscles asking for help. Tonight, we're diving into a little-known secret. The food choices you make before bedtime can literally determine whether you wake up stronger or watch your strength slip away. I'm Dr. Caroline Hayes, a geriatric researcher and nutrition specialist with over 25 years studying how simple habits protect senior health. Over the next few minutes, I'll share 4 powerful, natural bedtime foods that rebuild muscle, boost recovery, and set you up for more confident mornings one peaceful night at a time. Stay with me, because food number 4 is a game changer you'll wish you'd discovered years ago. Let's get started. Why bedtime nutrition matters for muscle health. The sleep-muscle connection. During deep sleep, our bodies release growth hormone and repair enzymes. Without adequate nutrients, muscle fibers cannot fully rebuild, accelerating age-related decline. Sarcopenia isn't just normal aging. True, muscle mass decreases by about 1–2% per year after age 60. But studies show that targeted nutrition and light evening protein can cut that loss in half or reverse it entirely. Timing is key. A light, nutrient-dense snack 30–60 minutes before bed delivers amino acids and sleep-supporting compounds right when your body needs them most. Top 4 natural bedtime foods for seniors. 1. Kiwi, the gentle sleep booster. Why it works? Contains melatonin, the natural sleep hormone, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E, to combat inflammation. Rich in potassium, which prevents nighttime leg cramps. Low glycemic index won't spike blood sugar. Real-world example. George, 74, widowed and retired teacher in Ohio, ABC News, 2023, found himself waking stiff and tense each morning. After adding 2 kiwis an hour before bed for 2 weeks, he reports, "I fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and I wake up feeling lighter. My legs aren't creaky, and I actually look forward to getting out of bed." How to enjoy it. Peel and slice 2 ripe kiwis about 60 minutes before lights out. Eat slowly while reading or listening to soft music. Make it a soothing ritual. 2 eggs, the complete protein powerhouse. Why it works. A complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Provides vitamin D, for muscle coordination, and choline, for nerve function. Gentle on digestion when lightly cooked. Real-world example. Lean, 68, energetic volunteer in California skipped evening snacks out of habit. She laughed, "My legs felt like cooked noodles in the morning." After introducing 1 soft-boiled egg nightly, she noticed within 2 weeks her stability improved. "I don't wobble anymore. I feel secure." How to enjoy it. Prepare 1 poached or soft-boiled egg about 45 minutes before bed. Season with a pinch of black pepper, avoid excess salt or heavy fats. 3 pumpkin seeds, the tiny mineral-rich tonic. Why it works. High in magnesium for muscle relaxation. Contains tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. Supplies zinc and plant protein for repair. Real-world example. Harold, 72, a retired gardener in Florida, woke with leg tightness despite sleeping 8 hours. Introducing a small handful, about 1 ounce, of unsalted pumpkin seeds in the evening relieved his morning stiffness within 10 days. How to enjoy it? Take 1-2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds as a light nibble plain or stirred into a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Keep portions modest to manage calories and avoid late-night overindulgence. For cottage cheese, the slow-release protein champion. Why it works? Rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady trickle of amino acids throughout the night. High in leucine, reinforcing muscle repair. Low in carbs and can stabilize overnight blood sugar. Real-world example. Martha, 76, from New York, struggled with climbing stairs and getting out of chairs. A daily habit of 1/2 cup low-fat cottage cheese 30 minutes before bed led to noticeably firmer legs after 3 weeks. It's like my body finally got the memo, every morning feels stronger. How to enjoy it? Scoop 3-4 tablespoons of plain, low-fat cottage cheese. Optionally top with a few slices of banana or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor, keep it light. Common bedtime nutrition mistakes to avoid. 1. Skipping evening snacks altogether. Leaves muscles without fuel during peak repair hours. 2. Reaching for busy meals or sugary treats. High sugar or heavy fats disrupt sleep and blood sugar balance. 3. Overeating late at night can cause indigestion, poor sleep quality, and weight gain. 4. Ignoring hydration. Dehydration can worsen muscle cramps. Sip water or herbal tea, but stop 30 minutes before bed to minimize nighttime trips to the bathroom. Expert tips for success. Consistency is crucial. A nightly ritual, even of just 1 or 2 bites, builds muscle repair over weeks. Listen to your body. Adjust portion sizes if you notice any digestive discomfort. Combine with light evening movement. Gentle stretches or a short walk before your bedtime snack promotes circulation. Monitor blood sugar and sodium. Choose low sodium, low fat dairy and fruits with low glycemic index if you have diabetes or hypertension. Pair foods thoughtfully, mixing a bit of protein, egg or cheese, with fruit, kiwi, or seeds, pumpkin, can offer balanced benefits. So far we've covered 4 superstar bedtime foods: kiwi for sleep hormones, eggs for complete protein, pumpkin seeds for relaxation, and cottage cheese for slow-release amino acids. Which one stands out to you? Have you tried any of these before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, these aren't fads, they are science-backed strategies that simply give your body what it asks for each night. Inspirational close-up story. Meet Clara, 70, who struggled to walk her dog without feeling breathless and unsteady. She decided to try a nightly combo: 2 kiwis, 1 poached egg, and a spoonful of cottage cheese over 2 weeks. She tells us, "I went from dragging my feet to chasing Buttercup down the block." It's the little things that make a big difference. Conclusion. Muscle loss is preventable. With targeted nighttime nutrition, you can slow, stop, or even reverse age-related decline. Small rituals, big impact. A simple bedtime snack is an act of self-care that compounds into a lasting strength and confidence. Your future self will thank you. Every quiet evening choice builds toward awakenings filled with energy, stability, and independence. So tonight, before you turn off the lights, ask yourself, what small act can I do for my muscles? Whether it's peeling a kiwi, boiling an egg, sprinkling pumpkin seeds, or scooping cottage cheese, give your body the tools it needs to rebuild. You've earned your rest, and you deserve to wake up stronger tomorrow. If this video gave you hope or a fresh idea, hit like, subscribe to Senior Well Hub, and share your experience below. Your story could inspire another senior to take that simple step toward strength. Until next time, rest well and rise stronger. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.